Hello friends, welcome to TH channel. Today we are taking the 11th series. 11th series. How the we are taking the 11th series? I have taken so far 25 parts to 42 parts. In the 25 to 42 parts, I have taken I am, is, are, was, were, have, has, and had. I have taken the this how to make the sentences depending upon that one, that to first person, second person, and third person. From those one, I have taken the important things. How in the competitive examinations they are asking the questions. See here. Here he dash like generalist. Where आता कि was आता, had आता कि has आता. Here he was, was, he was like generalist. Here answer is B. Second one, you dash inside parliament. You, what it comes, where आता, was येते, has येते की had येते. You confuse, don't confuse yourself. Whenever you are inside parliament, your answer is A. Now third one, I dash brother as well as sister. यहाँ पर क्या आता, I was आता कि had आता कि has आता कि where आता. I had, here I had brother as well as sister. मेकू भाई और साथ ही साथ बहन थी. मला भाऊ आणि बहन देखील होती. నాకు తమ్ముడు మరియు సిస్టరు ఉండే. ఇక్కడ had is your answer. Now fourth one, why dash you on road. Fourth one, why had आता, was आता, where वస్తుందా, is येते. कोणतं येते याच्यामध्ये, why where. Here second person singular, where you के सामने where आना चाहिए. why you were on road. నీవు రోడ్ మీద ఎందుకు ఉండే. तू रोडवर का होतास. तुम्ही रोडवर का होत्या. तुम रोड के ऊपर क्यों थे. Here answer is C. Now fifth one, they, एक से ज्यादा यहाँ पर, they dash junior doctors. they had junior doctors आता क्या. they had त्यांना junior doctor होते असं म्हणू शकणार. they were आता की has आता की was आता. here they were उन्हों junior doctor थे. ते junior doctors होते. వాళ్ళు junior doctors ఉండే. Here answer is B. Now sixth one, who dash helicopter 3 years ago. who, किसको. यहाँ पर is नहीं आता, where भी नहीं आता. was, who was helicopter 3 years ago. You get the confusion between had and was. That is why answer is D. Who had helicopter 3 years ago. Next, seventh one, dash we in front of assembly. यहाँ पर we in front of assembly क्वेश्चन, एक क्वेश्चन आहे. यहाँ पर सेवंथ वन, व्हाट इज आंसर, वेर आता की वाज येते, हॅड येते की डू येते. इथं डू येत नाही फ्रेंड्स. वेर आता यहाँ पर वेर WRE वेर वी इन फ्रंट ऑफ असेंबली, हम असेंबली के सामने थे क्या. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फ्रेंड्स. दैट इज वाई बी केयरफुल अबाउट योर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट 8th वन. यहाँ पर 8th वन had dash horns and tail. had यहाँ पर आंसर क्या आता है. had ही आता, यहाँ सिंगा, यहाँ पर तोका. had शी आता, वी आता कि इट आता. यहाँ पर had इट बोले तो एनिमल. had cow horns and tail. had it. Answer is it. D1 is your answer. Now take the 9th one. Dash his sister astronaut. Here dash his sister astronaut. यहाँ पर आंसर क्या आता 9th में. वाज वेर आता, हैड आता, वाज आता कि आर आता. यहाँ पर सिस्टर एक ही है. ఓన్లీ వన్ సిస్టర్, ఏకच బహిన్ आहे. ఒకటే సిస్టర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వేర్ రాదు. హ్యాడ్ అయితే అస్సలే రాదు. ఆర్ ఇది ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ లో రాదు, ఒక్కటే ఉంది కాబట్టి वाज हिज सिस्टर एस्ट्रोनॉट. त्याची बहीण एस्ट्रोनॉट होती का. उसकी बहन एस्ट्रोनॉट थी क्या. लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट वन 10th. देयर अंकल्स वेर पायलट्स. उनके अंकल्स पायलट्स, साथ ही साथ को पायलट्स थे. देयर अंकल्स वेर, यहाँ पर बिसाइड आता, बिसाइड्स आता, वेल आता कि डज आता. देयर अंकल्स वेर पायलट्स as well as. C is your answer. As well as co-pilots. Like this you make the question answer. Dash. 11th one. He was in college. ही वॉज इन कॉलेज. उन्हों कॉलेज में था तो कॉलेज मध्ये होता. वायना कॉलेज लो उंडे. वाज नॉट ही. यहाँ पर हियर देर इज ए पॉझिटिव्ह. इथं पॉझिटिव्ह आहे म्हणून या क्वेश्चन मध्ये नेगेटिव्ह आलं पाहिजे. ही वॉज इन कॉलेज. ही वॉज इन कॉलेज. वाज नॉट ही. यहाँ पर राम नहीं आता, इट भी नहीं आता, ही आता ही, शी भी नहीं आता. वाई शी डिडंट कम. इट डिड नॉट कम बिकॉज we are talking about the masculine gender he. That is why he is your answer. He was in college. Was not he. यहाँ पर C is your answer. Now whose uncles. किसके अंकल. किसके एवरी अंकल dash white coats. whose uncles. whose uncles. वेर आता क्या यहाँ पर. यू टिकट वो वेर, बट इट इज नॉट द आंसर फ्रेंड्स. इट इज नॉट योर आंसर. वास तो नहीं चाहता, हैज भी नहीं आता. हुज अंकल्स हैड. किसके अंकल को कोट्स थे. यहाँ पर सी हैड. सी इज योर आंसर. नाउ 13th वन. साइंटिस्ट्स. साइंटिस्ट्स वर नॉट इन लैब. साइंटिस्ट लॅब में नहीं थे. साइंटिस्ट लॅब मध्ये नव्हते. సైంటిస్టులు ల్యాబ్లో లేకుండే. దానికి ఇక్కడ నెగటివ్ వచ్చింది. इथं नेगेटिव्ह आलंय, नॉट आलंय म्हणून इथं नॉट येत नाही. वर दे आता. मगर यहाँ पर वी भी नहीं आता, ही भी नहीं आता, वी भी नहीं आता, यू भी नहीं आता. Because we are talking about more than one about the scientists. That is why scientists were not in lab. Were not they? Like this. Next one, 14th one. A flock of birds. A flock of birds. एक से ज्यादा, एक ही है यहाँ पर. ये flock of birds, ज्यादा नहीं, इधर birds है, इसलिए तुम क्या करते? Sometimes what should you do? You write the answer here. Where लिखते तुम, नहीं तो have लिखते, नहीं तो had लिखते. Friends, here it is a singular. ये flock of birds, यहाँ पर birds है, इसलिए यहाँ पर where नहीं आता, have नहीं आता, had नहीं आता. You write here B आंसर लिखते, मगर it is wrong. That is why ये was your answer. Was ये flock of birds was always on tank. Here in the competitive examinations they ask the questions like this. A flock of birds dash always on tank, like this. Here you should use here singular. सिंगुलर. प्रेझेंट में है तो इज उपयोग करना. प्रेझेंट मध्ये राहिलं तर इज करावं, इज लिहावं. प्रेझेंट में रहा तो इज आता, यहाँ पर पास्ट में है वाज आता. फ्रेंड्स, बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन as far as your competitive examination is concerned. Now 15th one. Was there dash there was a king in India. यहाँ पर आंसर क्या आता? फिर dash there was a king in India. Once आता की, one आता की, once आता की, once आता. Here there is a difference. One there was a king in India, ऐसा नहीं आता. Once यहाँ पर एक का, यहाँ पर once नहीं आता. That is why once, C is your answer. ONCE, once there was a king in India. So like this we have completed today's class. Friends, what should you do? Subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it and comment friends, so that I can get encouragement. Thanks friends.